So the first thing we did was clear out the floor and clear out the library. Then we painted the shelves. Then I put in the books. We organized them with bookends. And we made sure that we had a lot of different books for different ages. Then we put in plants on top of the shelves and little decorations. And we put arts and crafts supplies like markers and crayons and paper. Then we put in a globe and made sure that there were a lot of different series and book markers. And we put board games on top of the shelves as well. Then we had a ceremony and we added a sign. This is the final look. I should be a National Young Woman of Distinction because I believe that my project will have an effect on the world as a whole, as I met campers from economically and educationally disadvantaged homes that do not have the opportunity to develop their reading skills beyond the classroom, so my project will help bridge that gap.